to improve the performance of Premiere Pro, you will need to delete media cache files every now and then. So click on Edit, hover your cursor over Preferences, and then select Media Cache. Here you could see under Media Cache Management that Premiere Pro do not delete cache files automatically. That is why you would have to do it manually, and it's really easy. Here you could see the option that says Remove Media Cache Files, and next to it you could see the Delete button. Click on it. This would then give you two options, and as you can see, the second option is grayed out, which says Delete all media cache files. It is grayed out because Premiere Pro will not be able to delete cache files of the project that is already open. So in order to delete all cache files even of the current project, first close this by clicking on Cancel, and then Cancel, and then click on File and select Close All Projects. Click on Save to save the projects before closing. And now if you would go to the Edit and back to the Media Cache and again selecting Delete, now you could select the second option which says Delete all media cache files, which would require restart, and Premiere Pro would automatically restart. So once you're happy, click on OK. Then Premiere Pro would delete all the cache files and then restart Premiere Pro. Now when I select the same project, you could see Premiere Pro is now starting to generate PIC files. This should help your Premiere Pro's performance, and for other ways to increase your performance, please watch my other videos, links in the description.